Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel App Tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can download Coinbase app on your mobile device. So let's start. First of all, go to Google Play Store. Then tap on the search bar. Type Coinbase and search for it. In the results section, you will find an option like this. Tap on it and click the install button. After a few moments, the Coinbase app will be downloaded on your phone. Similarly, you can also download the Coinbase wallet app. For that, simply go to the search bar once again and type Coinbase wallet. You will find Coinbase wallet app among the first options. Tap on it and simply install the app. So in this way, you can easily download the Coinbase app as well as the Coinbase wallet app. So that's it for the video. I hope you found this helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for further videos.